Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 2 seed, Kingston College, up against the number 63rd seed, Greater Portmore High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. We begin with Kingston College, which is represented by Team Captain Lawarne Martin, Shane Bennett, Conrad Dallas, and Tradicio Edwards. And Greater Portmore High is represented by Team Captain Deborah Patterson, Anna K. Jones, Hartiz Thompson, and David Patterson. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, and welcome to the second match of our doubleheader in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host Yvonne Chin Irving, and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this: high schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Kingston College won and decided to let Greater Portmore High go first. So we begin with Greater Portmore High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Greater Portmore, mathematics. Factorize the expression 63R plus 14. Question passes to KC.
7 in bracket 9R plus 2.
That's correct. Still with you, KC. Mathematics, factorize the expression 66 plus 48T.
6. That is 6 in brackets 11 plus 8T.
That's correct. International affairs, I'm back with you, Greater Portmore. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person. No, it's Jimmy Morales, President of Guatemala. KC, I'm now with you, International Affairs, a visual question as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Daniel Ortega.
Correct. That's the President of Nicaragua. History for you, Greater Portmore. What was the name of the first battle of the American Civil War?
American War of Independence.
No, it's the Battle of Fort Sumter. History for KC. What was the name of the last battle of the American Civil War?
Battle of Gettysburg.
No, it's the Battle of Palmito Ranch. Music and audio question for you, Greater Portmore. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Unforgettable.
Is correct. Music and audio question, KC. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Don't wanna know.
Correct. Physics, Greater Portmore. Whose law is used to compute the terminal velocity of an object falling under gravity through a viscous fluid?
Lenz's law.
No, it's Stokes' law. Physics, KC. What is a common single-word term for the type of fluid friction experienced by objects such as automobiles moving through air?
Viscosity.
No, it's drag. Theatre and cinema, visual question, Greater Portmore. Look at the monitor and identify the person, please.
That's Ben Bradley.
No, Robert De Niro. Theatre and cinema, visual question for KC. Look at the monitor and identify the person, please.
Ford. Harrison Ford.
Is correct. Spanish Greater Portmore. Give the equivalent English proverb for a los tontos no les dura el dinero.
Time is money and money is time.
No, it's about money, but a fool and his money are soon parted. Spanish KC, give the equivalent proverb for cuatros ojos ven más que dos.
Two heads are better than one. Two heads are better than one.
Is correct. Sport or visual question, Greater Portmore. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Darren Samuels.
No, it's Danesh Ramdin. Sport or visual question for KC. Look at the monitor and identify the person, please.
Ramner Sawan.
No, it's Devendra Bishu. And that's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Kingston College on 6 points and Greater Portmore High on 1 point. It's time for the Digicel Viewers Question. Our Viewers Question comes from the category Local Affairs. The question is, who is the president of the Realtors Association of Jamaica? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it will be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns after these messages.